Here at the greenhouse, we utilize the latest in robotics to ensure every tray is perfectly filled before planting. Look at how vibrant these leaves are. We've worked hard to ensure the health of every plant across this entire field.
Look how precise the delivery is.
It's flawless. We're getting a 99% success rate.
Incredible efficiency. The calibration is spot on.
We're gonna hit our targets easily with this machine.
This one is further along than the others in this row.
I see that. I've logged the measurements.
Minister, I think this one is ready for topping. The growth looks complete.
Are you sure about this
Yeah.
section?
Yeah.
It seems a little premature.
No, look here.
These lower leaves are definitely ready.
Yes, the color is perfect on this one.
Keep them coming. We need to clear the truck by noon. Aisle 3, stack them high.
The humidity levels are still too high on the eastern side. Make a note to adjust the sprayers.
Keep that flow steady. Watch the temperature on the left.
See the curling on this one, it's not drying evenly.
I see. Let me make a note to check the humidity levels in the main room.
careful, this one is heavy.
Bring the next cart over here. We're almost done.
Empuja fuerte. Ya casi está. Dale. Listo, terminamos aquí.
The moisture levels are consistent with the last batch.
Yes, the cut quality seems optimal right now. I'll log it.
What are we looking at for the moisture?
Right on target, 12.5%. Looks consistent with the last batch.
We might need to adjust the flow rate on Unit 3.
I'll check the calibration now.
Go ahead and take the reading here.
Okay, it's showing 12% moisture.
The consistency here looks good, but what about the humidity levels?
They are well within the acceptable range according to the tablet data.
The alignment seems slightly off on this section. We should check the tension settings.
I agree, the quality otherwise is excellent, but
The consistency here seems slightly off spec, particularly on the left edge.
We adjusted the tension settings yesterday, but I agree, it needs fine-tuning. Hold it right there. Back it up easy. Clear on the left. Bring the next one in.
$7.50.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Easy now, center the pallet. All right, setting it down, clear.
That'll be $7.50.
Here's 8.
75 cents is your change. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
These graphic warnings are designed to highlight the severe health risks associated with tobacco use.
That'll be $7.50.
Here you are.
And here is your change. Have a nice day.
This new matte finish with the embossed logo really elevates the brand appeal. It feels premium.
It's perfect.
Agreed.
The market data clearly shows a preference for the matte finish. Okay.
Yes, and the tactile feel of this sample is superior.
Yeah.
Welcome back to the factory. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and definitely hit that subscribe button.